In this video, we're going to take these tires from looking raggedy like this to beautiful like this, and we're going to do it in just 4 very simple steps. Phase 1 is getting the power washer of your choice and spraying down the wheels and tires really well. What we're doing here is we're trying to wash off any and all of the dirt that we possibly can, both on the tire and the wheel. Next up, we're going to use the Super Clean degreaser. We're going to spray this all over the tire only. We're starting with the tires here. Now, grab yourself a stiff bristle brush and go over the tires really well. You want to get the top of the tread, the sidewalls, really close in between the concrete and the tire. That's going to be one of the most difficult places. You're just going to scrub this thing down really, really well. Look how nasty that brush is already. We're going to go in for a second round here just to make sure we've got it extra clean, or should I say super clean. Scrub those tires down really good. Like I said, we're trying to free up everything that we possibly can. We don't want to have brown tires at the end of this once we spray off and dry up. Honestly, this brush is straight up nasty. At this point, you can even spray off your brush, keep that thing clean. Next, we're back over to the tires. We're going to go ahead and get these things sprayed off. You can see all the gunk just sprayed right off that tire. That's exactly what you're looking for. Next, we're hopping into these wheels with the Super Clean wheel cleaner. You're going to spray it down with a generous amount here. One thing I want to mention is that you don't want to use the same brush that you used on your tires. You don't want to use that same thing on your wheels. You want something that's a lot softer or even a mitt. Here we've got some special tools that we're using for the wheels. Essentially, they're a lot softer bristles. We can go ahead and hit those faces. And then as you see, tool is really good for getting behind the wheel on the back side of the spokes and then also the barrel of the wheel. If you keep up on your cleaning with this tool, it essentially will keep your wheels super, super clean on the backside. Your wheel and tire guy will definitely thank you when you go to get these rotated and they put new balancing weights on them. They will say thank you very, very, very much for doing this. So as you can see, we're going through each spoke. We're hitting the backside. We're going to hit that brake caliper. We're going to go ahead and get all the faces. We're going to go ahead and just do everything that we need to do here to make sure we're cleaning it up real nice. I'm going to go ahead and transition to my smaller brush here. This one we're going to use for the small nooks and crannies like your valve stem. You're going to go ahead and get all your lug nuts. This thing will foam up really nicely with the Super Clean wheel cleaner, and you can basically just hit all of these areas, keep up on it, and your wheels will look shiny and beautiful every single time that you clean them. Now let's hop into rinsing this bad boy down. We're going to get the wheels really good. We'll go ahead and touch on the tires too, even though they have already been rinsed. We just want to make sure that we get all of that junk out of there the best that we possibly can. Rinse, 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 rinse. All right, so this is the final product after we're done with the cleaning. As you can see, the rubber is very black. We don't see any brown spots, but we're not done yet. Tire shine is the final step, and it is a necessity. You want to coat the tire evenly, but you don't want to get so much that you're getting drips all over the place. You're going to have to wipe down the wheel, and also be careful of your driveway. You see that little spot at the bottom? We're going to see that for a long time. This is the final result. This is the way it should look for you always. Guys, these wheels and tires came out awesome. I think the results speak for themselves. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you guys have any tips, I'd love if you leave them there as well. We're always looking to learn here, and we love to share those tips with you on future videos as well. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.